How were college football national champions decided before the BCS era? Imagine a time when college football fans debated fiercely over who truly deserved the title of national champion. Before the BCS era began in 1998, that was the reality. No playoff or championship game on the field decided the winner. Instead, the process relied heavily on polls and various organizations' rankings. The main method was through sports writers and coaches casting their votes at the end of the season. The Associated Press poll, which started in 1936, was the most influential. It gathered votes from sports writers across the country, and the team with the most votes was crowned the champion. Then there was the coaches poll, which began in 1950. Coaches from different teams voted on the top teams, and their rankings often differed from the app poll. Sometimes, these polls would crown different teams as national champions in the same year, leading to what was called split titles. Before these polls, in the early days, national champions were named by historians and organizations that looked back at team records and strength of schedule. Names like Park H. Davis and the Helms Athletic Foundation would analyze teams' performances and sometimes name multiple champions for a single year. This was because there was no standardized way to pick a champion, so different groups could come to different conclusions. Bowl games, which are postseason contests, played a role but did not officially decide the champion. Sometimes, the final polls were released before the bowl games, so the results didn't influence the rankings. Other times, polls waited until after the bowls, which could change who was crowned champion. This inconsistency often caused disputes and multiple teams claiming the title. Because of these factors, it was common for more than one team to claim the national championship each year. Fans and programs debated fiercely about which team was the true champion. In some seasons, the app poll might pick one team, while the coaches poll or other organizations selected another. This led to a lot of disagreements and sometimes shared titles. To sum up, before the BCS, college football's national champions were decided by a mix of polls, historical selectors, and bowl game results. The system was decentralized, often controversial, and left the sport with multiple champions in many seasons. The creation of the BCS aimed to fix this by matching the top two teams in a single game to crown a clear winner on the field.